everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply fix your 404 error page not found problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your browser, right? And while you're accessing your browser, there in the home section you're gonna find this kind of interface where you're gonna go ahead search a particular web for you. But let's say your connection, first of all check out your connection. If it's not good here in this Wi-Fi section, if your connection is not good, if it's turning it off and on in between, that will break the connection for your web page or your website to load. So that will make it the 404 error to be found, right? So they have to make sure that connection is good. If it's not, then switch to another one that is available, or you can switch your cellular data as well. Then afterwards, what you're going to do, make sure you have the correct ID, correct link of your web page or website where you would like to visit. It's not wrong at some point. If then you'll have to make sure that it is correctly written, you have correct link that you have copied or have received. Then you're gonna paste it over here in the search bar, and you're gonna go to that ID, and then you will be able to load your web page like that. Other thing would be simply going to your settings, and you're gonna scroll down, go to this option called apps, scroll down and find this Chrome browser, your browser of your mobile phone, and go to this option called storage. Simply go ahead, clear all of the cache from over here, clear it out, and then again refresh it and go ahead search for it. You will be able to solve your problem. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.